All right, so I'm going to take you through really quickly, Diana, how to do the scavenger hunt. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your classroom. You're going to go into content. You're going to scroll down to Unit 4, the Scarlet Ibis. You're going to open up the Scarlet Ibis scavenger hunt. For sake of time, I'm just going to choose one option, this one right here. There is also another help video there for you if you want to watch that, but I'm going to open this. And when you open it, I mean, yes, sometimes it is difficult to, it looks just like there's a lot to do, right? But what you're going to do is, let me pull it down. Okay, so I think you can see all of this. So all you're going to do, Diana, is you are going to choose 5 terms. The terms are on your in column 1 on the left-hand side, and I have defined them for you in column 2. So you don't have to worry about that. All you have to fill in is column 3 and column 4. In column 3, you are going to scroll down to the story, which I have attached, and I'll show you that in just a second. Find a quote that is an example of the term that you have chosen over here. And then you're going to make sure that you do it just like that. So you're going to do the in-text citation just like that. And then over here in this side, you're just going to explain why this portion of the story is an example of the term that you chose. So you are just choosing 5 terms. I'm going to complete one for you, and you are allowed to use that. So then you would just have to do 4 more on your own. So I'm going to choose the flashback. Okay, so I'm going to complete the term flashback. And what is flashback? It's where the events occurred in the past. So to be honest with you, Diana, the whole entire story, the Scarlet Ibis, is told in flashback. So if there's any portion of the story that just talks about the past, that's what I'm going to go find. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the assignment because, there's my story. So I don't have to flip between pages. I just need to look here. So I am going to copy and paste this. I'm going to just copy it. All right, and all I'm going to do, let's just say right here. No, I'm going to do this part. I sit in a cool green draped parlor. The grind begins turning time with all its changes is ground away. I remember doodle. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to scroll up here to flashback. I'm going to paste that. Now watch how I do this. Okay, so I'm going to put a quote and then like an ellipsis there because it is not the actual beginning of whatever he said. So I'm going to put the end quote. Oops, not there. I'm going to take the period away, put the end quote, and then I'm going to put Hearst here, and then I'm going to put a period there. Okay, so that's correct in-text citation. You may up here say in the text it says you do not have to, but you do have to either way put Hearst with it. So in this column, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to say this quote is an example of flashback because the narrator is talking about and remembering past events. Okay, that's simple. That's all that you have to do for this assignment. So again, Diana, you may use this term if you would like, and then you're going to go through and you're going to find 4 more and do the exact same thing. All you're doing, choose a term, go down here to the story, find an example that shows that term, how that term is being used. Okay, copy it like that. Scroll back up to the term, paste it, and then you're going to go over here and explain the term. All right, let me know if you have any other questions about this or need me to explain it a little further.